Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans, and where the heck are the Albans? We are on the cruise ship, and we are just about to depart, and I am just going to give you a very quick tour of the room. So here we go. Okay, so welcome to room 9942. You'll notice that they have the makeup room, do not disturb, and at home. In order to activate the lights in your room and all the power in your room, you need your key card. And I'll show you that. And then there's two buttons inside, either to make up the room or do not disturb, and they'll light up. So let me show you that and how that works. So you put your card in, and then that activates your lights. Here is this, so let's just say do not disturb. It will say at home and do not disturb. And then, like I said, if you wanted to make up your room, you just hit the other button. Okay, so let's give you a quick room tour. I'll show you the map here. So here is the map of the ship, or the outline, and we are on this yellow one right here, the 9th floor, and we are towards the aft of the ship, and our room is right here. So 9942. So here's our elevator bank. It's pretty darn easy to get to our elevator bank, or the stairs. We just get off of it and just a couple rooms down. So there are those buttons right there, the key card entry, and let's keep going on with this tour. This is the suite. We do have an adjoining room with the kids. Hey everyone. So this is the bathroom. Let me turn this light off. There we go. So big, huge mirrors, plenty of shelf space, sink down below there. You can open that door up. There's a little extra storage down there, but there's also a trash can that's connected to the door. Your toilet paper over there. You know what that is. Nice, pretty big shower, very tall. It's got the shower head that you can actually take down and move. Here's the inside of this thing right there. It's got a couple little shelves in there, and it's got a little waste paper basket. Hand soap is all liquid, and same with your shampoo and conditioner. And it also has, if you have a wet bathing suit, you can take the line, stretch it over there, and then you can hang your wet bathing suits up. All right, so over here we got a very big sofa. This actually folds down into a bed. Nice, once again, another big, huge mirror. Down below here, there's a seat that pulls out. And then in here is a refrigerator. There is the refrigerator. Television set with some drawers and things like that. Some more storage space down here. A couple shelves. And some very shallow 3 little shelves here, but they're not real deep. I know on this ship everything is Americanized United States plugs, except they do have this one here if you're traveling from overseas. This light just turns on the lights up on top. All right, king size bed, closet. Does come with a safe in the closet that, I will turn the light on for you so you can see in there. But plenty of room to unpack for, anything that you need. You've got an extra pair of shoes down there. On this side is, I put my suitcase in here, but there's plenty of room for there are plenty of room for clothes, as you can see. Becky did put her suitcase down underneath the sofa. And there's Becky right there.
Hi, you know what I didn't realize?
Huh.
These two things here are drawers.
Oh, these are drawers as well.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
So if we wanted to move your clothes or my clothes or...
Yeah.
I'm going to go flash the ocean.
Oh, okay, great. So we got a nice balcony suite. A couple lights on the side, and I believe there are USB ports for charging. Yes, they are right over there on the wall. Right there. And Aaron and Gant are actually right next door on the other side. So let's... here's the balcony. It is night. And just so you know, now it's daytime out. I'll just show you, today's our day at sea. So, but this is our view. And temperature today is about 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Got 2 chairs out here. A cocktail. And a little table. And then back into the room. Yeah, so that's the room. Pretty straightforward. Every room does come with a hair dryer. It's hiding down below there. So yeah, and it's also got a phone right there. So yeah, that's a pretty nice room. Like I said, it's got a couple of hooks over here for coats or what have you. And each individual room, you can put your air conditioner or heat to wherever you would like it. All right, so that's it. That's your room tour for the Joy, the NCL Joy. And there's a couple little cubby holes over here too in the little nightstand. Both of those are the same. All right. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed what you saw today with the room tour. If you like what you see, don't forget, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe, keep it sexy. If you do want to correspond with us in any way, shape, or form, I will leave our P.O. box down below. Also, don't forget to check out our interactive map. Where in the heck have the Albans been? That is painstakingly done by one of our subscribers, Davy Sitter, and we do appreciate her doing that. So, until next time, we'll see you on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone.